Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Kathleen Mayguna from San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. I'm 26 years old, single, and I have no kids. I'm Catholic and in religion. I'm the eldest in the family. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. I'm undergraduate in college. My course is Bachelor in Science in Education. Just finished my 3rd year level. I took up also caregiving and C2 for 6 months, wherein I studied child care and elderly care.
Okay, are you an ex-abroad or first timer?
This is my first time, ma'am.
So do you have any experience before as a helper?
I have experience, ma'am. My employer with 7 members in the family. It consists 1 couple, 1 elderly, and 3 children, ages 12 years old, 6 years old, and 3 years old.
How old the elderly?
80 years old.
Is it healthy when you work with them?
She's weak, ma'am.
She's weak, okay. And the kids are 3, 12, and 6. So the 3 is girl or boy?
Girl, ma'am.
How about the 12?
Boy, ma'am.
And the 6?
She's girl, ma'am.
Okay, so what did you do as a helper in the house?
I do the cleaning in the house, washing clothes and dishes. I also cook and go to market. I take care of the children and preparing their needs before going to school.
Okay, so you go to market how often?
2 times in a week.
You go alone?
Yes,
You cook alone also?
yes, ma'am.
What kind of dishes you prepare for them?
Filipino foods, ma'am.
Are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong, ma'am, to earn more money to help my siblings in the financial needs and to my future needs, ma'am.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs my service, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing also to look for elderly in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Your day off will not fall on Sunday. It's okay for you.
It's okay, ma'am.
What if your employer offer you twice a month off and the 2 other off will pay you? Is that okay also for
It's
you?
okay.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will just pray, ma'am, and I will focus on my work. And if my duties finish, I will call them and talk to them.
Okay, so will you promise not to go home in case of emergency?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you promise to finish your contract then?
Yes,
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
please hire me, ma'am, and I will promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I will take good care of your children, and I will love them as they are my own. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2251.